Here's how to install SPD cleats. You should have a set of cleats, a set of washers, a set of bolts, and for your shoes, a set of washers and anchors. If your shoes have damaged anchors, you will need to replace them with these pieces. If the anchors in your shoes are fine, then you will not need these. Start by identifying the two slots in your SPD compatible shoe. Line up the slots with the holes in your cleat. Insert the washer flat side down. There's a flat side and a countersunk side. Lightly grease your bolts. Insert one bolt and loosely tighten it with a 4mm Allen key. And loosely tighten your second bolt. Now to adjust your cleat, you have fore aft adjustment along the slots. You have left and right adjustment. And with our cleat, you also have clockwise and counterclockwise rotational adjustment. Once you have your cleat adjusted, you can finally tighten using a torque wrench to 5 Newton meters. And you're done.